For which ride?
Hagrid's.
Hagrid's, what time?
4:10, 4:40.
Yes. What time is it now?
3:05.
Okay, so we have time to ride one ride before that?
Yeah.
Okay, yay! Good job.
Super hot day. Very hot.
It's a super hot day here at Universal Studios Florida.
Yes, and I like dancing.
Sorry, Rip Ride Rocket just went by.
Yeah, Rip Ride Rocket went by. We do have a couple of fast passes though.
So on the way in, we were able to get 2 on his phone and 2 on my phone for Hagrid's.
Yep.
So now we've just got to find some rides to fill in the spaces in between.
Yeah, and so we're probably gonna stop with Universal, see what we can get in real quick before we head over to Island Adventure to help out Hagrid. We are going to go check out what we can get on real quick here. Despicable Me off limits, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
The Jeremy hasn't picked it up yet. You want to do the mummy?
Let's go ahead and do the mummy.
Okay.
We're gonna go and do the mummy.
Let's see.
Oh, look who it is. Panda.
Shout out to Amanda and Elise.
Amanda and Elise?
Yeah, that's Pandy.
Oh, okay, well, Pandy. Panda. Panda. Panda, 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 panda. Okay. Don't be stupid. Alright, so we just got off the mummy and fun as usual.
We gotta head over to Hagrid's.
Yeah, we have to head over to Hagrid's now. This band going on today. The Akatsuki.
Mine's not special. Mine's just pretty.
She's got a pretty flower paint.
Yay! The park looks really slow today, so I'm hoping we won't have to wait in like a huge, gigantic line to place our bag in a locker.
Yeah.
Sure, yay!
So, I will say, the difference between SeaWorld and like Disney World and Universal is that Universal and Disney have more theme to their rides.
Yes.
SeaWorld, but the rides are still fun. It's a lot of fun, but it just, the theme is not there.
No. It's like here you get immersed in a movie or a story.
Yeah, like there's an actual story to it. SeaWorld is more like you have a theme, but it's more like it's just painted on the walls, right?
It's just ocean.
Yeah.
Ocean is their theme. So.
We're totally gonna give Suslan a try.
But not today.
Yeah, not today though.
It's the way to get to
this is the way.
Hogsmeade. That's it.
Hogsmeade.
Hogsmeade. I want to watch Harry Potter.
Which one?
Exactly. I don't know. That's always the tough choice.
So you don't have a favorite right now?
Oh, I do have a favorite, but I've watched it so many times I feel like I should watch a different one.
Okay. What's your favorite? You gotta let the crowd know.
My favorite?
Yeah.
It's Order of the Phoenix.
Okay, Order of the Phoenix. You know, I've watched all of them and I'm still trying to decide which is my favorite.
You don't have a favorite?
I like them all equally, but I don't have a favorite yet. But, I mean, Ravenclaw, in my opinion, is
what?
They're good guys. They're pretty good guys. But compared to us Gryffindors, but anything else you want to tell them about Ravenclaw? I mean, okay they are.
I think they get sunburned easily.
Oh yeah.
Very sweet.
Mulberry Street. I say it every time because it's kind of catchy. Got gizmos, gadgets, goodies, and galore. All G's on that name. All G's. All real G's. This guy still creeps me out. Very top here.
Why? He's just
cool.
He had a rough night of drinking and now he's paying for it the next day. He's just like,
oh my gosh. I think this might be the line for the lockers. All right, we'll update you along the way.
Oh yes. Oh, somebody's having a good time. One of the best views is from Hagrid's line. Love that view of the castle. And my best friend Al is up here. I call him Al because he's an alligator. Hey Al, what's going on? I'll see you later, boo.
Right, off you go. We'll meet at the edge of the forbidden forest. We'll have to round up the Scrooge before they set fire to anything else. They just don't. About those bites. I didn't think they'd take Ollie into the forbidden forest. Just hang on. Oh, and don't mind Fluffy. His barks are worse than his bites. Lumos Solar. That was close. Oh, you found my missing screw. There's a unicorn, and look, she's a mum. Ready. Lucky thing to see such a sight in the wild. But Merlin's beard, we did see mixes.
All right, guys, we just got done riding Hagrid's motorbike adventures, and pretty fun. Well, thank you. We ended up riding it twice today.
Twice.
Fun both times.
Both times we were in and out of line and the ride within 20 minutes.
Okay, so it's 5:33 right now.
Park closes at 6.
Yeah, park closes at 6, so we're going to go ahead and try to get on
New roller coaster.
Forbidden Journey.
Mom, can I have, do we have some virtual line?
No, stand by here. Stand
Okay.
right for the lockers, okay?
All right, thank you. Ooh, look at this. We're gonna go ahead and try to get you a close-up. Yes! Hogwarts, we're coming. By the way, we're planning on watching Harry Potter tonight. We just don't know which one yet.
Probably still like points.
We're gonna wing it.
Ultimate elimination.
Ultimate elimination.
So,
Hey.
Forbidden Journey is not fully working yet. They've turned
Yeah.
off the mist to the spiders.
And then
The Dementors aren't working.
Yeah, and there's something else. Oh, the dragon. The dragon will not be blowing smoke at you.
Yeah, its fog element is gone. So,
So we are loving this fairy tale.
yes. Alright, well they're making Adarius's hat. We're gonna go in here.
Right.
Go in here and see if I can find what I want. Oh, there it is. Alright. 13. Found it. Nobody loves you, E.T. You're creepy.
Sugar daddy.
Getting that mannequin pose.
Mannequin pose. How's she doing it? $8 for a universal shot. Oh yeah, that's right. I remember talking about it. We're gonna put all the liquors into one glass.
Gross.
It's okay. All the liquor into one. Trying to take a shot like that. Just get. Should we do all up like top shelf liquor? If we're going to mix them all, or should
What do
we?
you mean we? I'm not doing that with you. I probably.
She'll probably take a sip and like.
Listen, if I don't have to work the next day, I will. So OpenTable.com has reservations for Hard Rock. Toothsome does not take reservations. And this is what happens when you try to walk up to Toothsome after the park closes. Everybody's waiting. Everybody. They've got social distancing markers. And that's the host. This is to get into the candy shop. And yeah, you gotta wait over there. Yep. Alright, we've got about 20 minutes till our reservation, but we're gonna go ahead and check in. Maybe see if we can go to the bar and grab a drink. I don't know if they're still doing that because of social distancing, but we'll see. Go ahead and get checked in.
Yeah, this is the blackberry smurfing. Smurfing. Sorry.
What'd you say? I was gonna say bourbon. Sangria.
And should we try a drink?
You want to split them? I don't want a whole drink.
Yeah.
Which one? You want the sangria? The smurfing? Smurfing.
So yes, I'm thinking about the. Yeah, let's do that one.
All right.
Sangria.
Yeah.
Can I just see your ID really quick?
I like that. We got the king. Oh, look at these drumsticks. Oh man. These are a lot of pins. I like this wall. And if you don't know how I got started on pin trading, was because of D. D actually got me started on that. And I was like, I mean, I'll give it a shot. I'll like, so I bought like 2 pins. I put it on the bag and I was like, oh, but now this pin looks awesome and I want to put this on the bag. And then before I know it, my bag is full of pins. So I don't know, give it a try. You might like pin trading. Oh wow, look at this. Godsmack. My buddy Kyle, he the one that has he saw Godsmack and then got a couple of guitar picks from him. And I think might have gotten a drumstick as well. Okay, we're gonna try to find, we're gonna play this game called Where's D, because I lost her. Oh, look what she's doing. I think she's trying to buy something. I don't know. Let's find out. What you doing?
I got a lanyard for my annual pass finally.
She's got a lanyard for her.
Yeah, I finally found one that I really like.
All right. Yeah.
So we just got done at Hard Rock.
Yes, and I'm gonna let her start it off.
I like it better than Planet Hollywood.
That's for certain.
It's classical rock. It's not a bunch of modern music. It's more all the good songs you love, and the food's better.
Yes. Oh, and let me tell you. So let's start out. Hold on. First of all, let me start off with the drink. We had the blackberry sangria. Yeah, we're going to shorten that. Blackberry sangria. Amazing. Just gonna give that. I'm gonna give that a 10-star for me.
Yeah, that was real good. Real good.
You're hungry?
So I got the pulled pork sandwich. It's really good. It has a layer of really thin Granny Smith apples on the bottom, and then they top it with the coleslaw. So it was so big I could not finish it. And I got the onion rings, and
What? Go ahead.
and
I didn't say anything. I'm done. Go. I didn't hear you. Go. I have so much fun. Go ahead.
The onion rings were super good. Really good.
All right, so I had got the let me see if I can say it right. The double-decker double cheeseburger. That's why I call it the triple D cheeseburger. It tops all the other burgers I had. So right now, Hard Rock Cafe,
Number one?
number one.
Oh, they beat out Rainforest Cafe.
Yes, they did.
Oh,
yes,
no.
they did. And it's themed well. I like it.
Yeah, the theming in there is really good. A lot of memorabilia. We couldn't get too close to a lot of it because we were trying to social distance, and there were a lot of people in there sitting down eating. So
Yeah. So-
and they had the upstairs blocked off, so we weren't able to go up there either.
yeah, but hopefully one day when we come back, we'll show you guys that part as well.
Yeah. All in all, dinner was a win.
Yeah. Yeah.
I
So
think that's my new favorite restaurant.
for real.
Yeah.
It was pretty good.
It was good, and with our discount, it wasn't that bad a price either.
Yeah. Yeah. So
The store was really cool as well. They I finally found a lanyard that I like. I've been looking for a lanyard for like 4 months now, and I can't find one that I like ever since like January. And they were all too cutesy, and I found this one, and I love it.
it looks like one of those guitar straps.
Yeah, it looks like a guitar strap. So
We do have these little papers on the table that's in the shape of a guitar pick, which will say on one side this is red, it says service is not needed, and on the other side, which is green, which means you need service.
means you need some help.
Yeah, which I thought that was pretty interesting as well.
Yeah, so if you just want to be left alone to eat, like we left it red while we were eating our meal, and she didn't bother us at all.
Yeah, everything was pretty good. They all have high energy there.
Super high energy. A bunch of the servers and bussers were just walking around singing.
Yes, so if you're a music lover, you're probably going to appreciate that.
Yeah, it's a good place to go. New favorite spot.
Yep, all in all, 10 out of 10.
All right,
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Let's go get your hat.
Yes, oh yeah, my hat.
All right, let's
Gotta
go.
get that. All right. Good.
Good?
Good, all right, yeah. That feels
right.
comfortable on my head. So.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. You too.
Ooh, look at that new hat.
Oh, you know it.
Oh, yeah. We're going to head out, get our uniforms ready for tomorrow.
Yeah.
And we'll see you guys next time.
Yeah. Goose juice, or is it moose juice, goose juice?
Goose, goose. I don't know.
Brownie points.
There's no brownies. I'm all out of brownies.
Brownie for my brownie.
Oh my god.